Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take a t-shirt and turn it into this. And make it look like this. We are going to turn our t-shirt inside out. And then you're going to want to lay it out. Grab the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt. And then you're going to flip it on its side where there's a fold down the center of the shirt here. The shoulder seams are stacked on top of each other and this neckline is nice and lined up. You just need to make sure that it's smooth with no wrinkles here and around the back of the neck. Now you're going to take a good pair of fabric scissors and we're going to start cutting about 2 or 3 fingers below the collar of the t-shirt. We're going to cut straight in and then up to the shoulder seam of the shirt. We'll cut in right there like that, just straight across. And then now we're gonna go up. When you get to the shoulder seam, you're gonna cut right through it and then stick close to the back of the collar. You're not cutting low at the back, you're going right around the back of that t-shirt collar. Like this. Now when you unfold the shirt, you see you have this kind of square neckline. We're going to start below one of the armpit seams and we're just going to cut from here right up to the shoulder seam, leaving about 4 fingers of tank top. So we'll just go right in with our scissors towards the shoulder seam and then you just cut right through. Now you're going to take what you cut off of one side, make sure this is nice and smooth, and you'll take that sleeve that you cut off and you'll just lay it over the sleeve that's still there. Make sure all those seams are lined up together, and now we'll do the same thing and follow that line. Perfect. Now we have both sleeves off. We're just going to do a little gather at the front of the shirt on the neckline. So for this you will need a needle and thread. So you'll take some thread and stretch it out about the length of your arm and then cut it off like this. Now you're going to put the thread through the tiny hole at the top of the needle like that. And then pull it until the ends meet at the bottom like that. Now you can smooth it out with your fingers. So you're going to start your sewing about the bottom of your armpit holes. So you're just going to go down and up through the fabric with your needle and then pull your thread through, but not all the way through. You're going to leave this little bit hanging out and we're creating a knot. So we're going to do that by going back through the same holes we just came out and then making this loop of thread. Put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And that creates one knot. And we're going to make at least 3 knots. So just keep going back through the same area you went. Create the loop of thread. Put your needle through. Pull it tight. And you're just knotting your thread into your fabric. So once you do that 3 times, you're ready to sew. All we're going to do is sew up and down all the way to the neckline. We're just going to go down, up, up, and then pull your thread through like this, down, up, like that. When you get to the top, you're going to go down through the fabric and then pull your needle so it's out the other side. And now we're just going to gather the fabric. So now that you've pulled it tight and it's nice and gathered, again, all we have to do is a couple knots and we're done our sewing. So to do some knots, you'll just go back through some fabric, out the same hole you already came out, creating a loop, put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And we will do that at least 3 times, creating 3 knots, and then we can try on our shirt. So we've done our 3 knots. Now you're going to cut off your thread and we can try it on. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you have this nice ruched in the front, so easy to do. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.